Well, it fared well in the storm, just a small amount of water in there because on this side the tarp blew away and rain got in there, but it's minimal. So we dodged a bullet there. That's great to see. And they probably will have the roof on today. You never really know how much debris you've got. And again, this is all from the campground. That's like the plumbing sitting right there that he's driving over. This is all from the campground. We didn't realize that was all still there. So we're so grateful this is getting taken care of. Is that an air conditioner?
Refrigerator.
You know, there's a campground up there. All those trailers floated down here, landed on the bridge, broke into pieces, probably pieces by the time it even got here. We had 7 or 8 or whatever trailer frames stuck on this bridge. Somebody came along, took them off here and dumped them right where you are. Then somebody came back and picked them up. Now you're doing the final cleaning. I'm very happy. Thank you. Wow. Refrigerator. I don't think that's going to fit in your bag. In your canoe. Wow. This is amazing. I'm so happy to see that clump of debris removed. And this lady, she's like 5'11". When I asked her how deep it was, well, it's up to her knees there. Well, so it would be higher than that for me. I'm only 5 foot. She is struggling. That has been embedded in there. So happy to see that gone. Just as a reminder, right off the edge of the bridge, all those boulders, they were all over here, down there, and they supported the dirt that made this easement. And the dirt, that went downstream. Probably down to Lake Lure. And fixing this, very, very, very expensive. We've priced it out. It's cost prohibitive. So chances are us not going to do it. Can't afford it. It's just not worth it. Again, and these boulders, some of them, they're the size, they weigh more than my car. She's been pulling on that for a while now. It is stuck. But I think she's determined. And that's the channel. And it doesn't look that deep. So that's cool. So that bad storm we had blew off the king span, and it's sitting over there. He thinks he can use some of it. Obviously some of it is torn apart, but a lot of it's okay and reusable. Off of this end, he had the whole thing covered, and it just, we had such bad winds, it blew off. We are almost done with the rafters. A couple more, and then we can put the 1/2-inch plywood up. And here's that ladder. It was leaning against here down at the end, and the wind just blew it. Well, I think the tarp blew it. and knocked it over here, and it got stuck on those tiny little tree limbs. And these plywood didn't surprisingly hold that tarp down either. And the tarp went all the way up to the underside of those rafters, all the way down to here. In fact, that tarp is 30 by 50 feet. It's huge. Big sail. We're about a third of the way with the stones. When I brush them off with a wire brush every morning to clean them, because I don't want that stuff getting stuck on there permanently. We will be, it's not called grouting, but it goes in between with mortar, and that really holds them in special. So we're ready for the next layer. This has been about 4 days, maybe 5 days of work on 2 posts, 4 sides or 8 sides. I'm going to try and go higher today. Try to stay away from real heavy stones because they just don't want to stay. So we got a bunch of stones here. And if they're thin, that one's really not that thin. But something like this, it's relatively thin. It's about 1 inch maybe. That's not that heavy, so I could go 2 layers up with a stone that size. And then I got a bunch of them over here. Now this one's pretty big. I might need to support it. I've been using those boards to press on them and support them to get to stay in place. I do have longer boards. Actually, those are 48 inches, these here. Could use those, but we'll see. We're just continuing to plug away at this job. T111 is going up. This is a small space, but 440 square feet. Man, that's just the way it is, but I think it'll look cool. We've done our best with what we had. But the view, yeah. So what we're doing is window, window, double door with windows, window, 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 and maybe some triangular windows up there. So a huge bank of windows. And this is the view from the door. And there'll be a deck out here, 10 foot out, where those posts are. Here, let me do a wide angle. So from here out to those posts, 10 feet, be a nice deck. And quite the view. That is the flashing for the deck ledger board that he's putting up. So right where his waist level is where the deck is. Built this set of steps today because we planted grass on this, I don't know what you call it, ledge, and everybody was walking on it, so we wanted to make it so they had steps to walk on. So I built those steps today to prevent them from walking on it. They're very short steps, which is fine because they're carrying things up there, and I'd rather have them not have big strides. And we'll have guests here too that can walk down that way and then down to the fire pit, which is right there.